Okay, here's a common scenario. The person with dementia wants to get dressed and they want to get dressed themselves. And so they go and put something on, but it's entirely inappropriate for the season. Maybe they're trying to wear a few coats, but it's really hot outside. Or the person wants to go out in a tank top and flip-flops, but it's raining. And so I've seen this where the interaction ends with frustration, resentment, people are upset on both sides. And so one way to help prevent that is by doing a closet edit. Now's about the time, seasons are starting to change a little bit. I recommend that caregivers go in at least a few times a year and do a heavy edit of the closet where you have fewer items, but they're all seasonally appropriate items of clothing. So if it's summer, just take all the coats, the sweaters, anything hot and inappropriate out of the closet, out of sight, out of mind. Make sure you're doing this several times again throughout the year to make sure that the closet is always seasonally appropriate. It's not too packed, there's not too much going on. That fosters choice. It's great for independence. If someone wants to still get dressed themselves, if they can do all of it or some of it, that's wonderful and should be encouraged. And so this is just a way to help facilitate that and make it a more safe, comfortable, lower stress experience for everyone involved.